Alrighty, hi you guys, it's Kaden King and welcome back to my channel. This video is not going to be very professional, but I just had to get on here quick and make this video because I got the most exciting package in the mail and I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. I haven't even opened it. I'm just really excited because I bought the most exciting purchase of probably 2023 so far. I've bought quite a lot of cheese. You know, this means a lot to me. As you guys know, I'm in school and this was my reward for making it through the semester. It was really hard. You know, I seriously probably put in, I don't know, like 15 study hours a week, which to me is a lot because normally it's 0. So I had to put in a lot of work to get through the semester and I just wanted to reward myself. So yeah, let's just get into it. I bought a bag that I wanted for a really long time. I actually did an Instagram poll and I think a lot of people were against this bag and I just thought okay, I don't care. I want it, so I'm getting it. And you know, what other bag was I gonna get, honestly? So if you guys know, I have my bum bag. I collect a lot of bum bags. So we've got the Louis bum bag, we have the Versace bum bag in the back, we have the Coach bum bag, we have the Kate Spade bum bag. Bum bags usually are my thing. And then as you guys know, for Christmas, I did get the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which is behind the camera right here. But I just wanted more of an everyday bag. So now my bum bag really is a good grab and go bag. And normally I do use my Louis Vuitton the most. But the thing I don't like about my bum bags is sometimes they're just so I don't know, they're really up here, I'm holding them like a shoulder bag and I feel like I'm squishing them, which is not good. And of course, you know, my Louis Vuitton bum bag does mean a lot to me. It was a milestone in my life. It was a full circle moment. I never thought I'd have anything like that. And it goes to show when you work hard and you believe in positive things, you get what you want in life. So that bag is very special to me. I don't like to use it. Obviously, when I first had it, I was carrying it around everywhere. But now that it's starting to get used more and more, don't want to hurt it. And I wanted something, you know, a little bit more durable. And yeah, so let's just open this. Guys, what? Thumbnail. Guys, this is so cool. I was expecting white packaging. I don't know why. I was expecting everything to be white, but look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Guys, and look at this. I am living for these Prada flames. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so exciting. I have not gotten, just give me this. I'm obsessed with this. And guys, look at this cute little bag. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. The flames are kind of giving ooh, Harley Davidson. Guys, this is insane. I'm gonna freak out. Okay, look at the box. I don't know why. I was really expecting a white box, but look how gorgeous she is. And look at this cute little silver. Guys, I'm nervous. How am I gonna make you guys see this? I want you guys to see me open it. Wow. Okay. Guys, I'm scared. I've never, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at her. She's so pretty. Guys, I'm gonna die. Look how pretty she is. Ah! Guys, this is so iconic. This is insane. I have never been more excited for something in my whole life. Guys, I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, that's a don't take it off or we won't take it back, okay? So I like to prove you didn't wear it out. Anyways. Oh no, we gotta put... So, this is the way... Okay, so... This is why I wanted this bag. Look how easy this is, to throw on and look. I can function with my arms. This is why we wanted this bag. When I had the bum bag, it either sat here and it was too bulky or it was on my arm and then I couldn't function because it was falling off. But this is the perfect little, it just sits right here. It's small, it's tiny. Really, it only is for my phone, some lip gloss. It wasn't, this bag is not meant to carry a lot. Also, about this bag is how cute, Prada white. Now, if you guys don't know, the Prada bags are nylon, and if you know nylon versus leather, nylon is indestructible. I know people who have had these bags for years, and they still look the same as when they got them because it just holds up way better. And also, I'm going to Disney World, and I'm pretty sure this will be going with me. Guys, this is so cute. I'm so obsessed. Are we obsessed? I'm glad I ignored all you hoes that told me not to get it because it's freaking so cute. And then My other favorite part about this bag, and I'm so glad they do this, is it comes with another chain. So it comes, oh my gosh, this is so, guys, this is so bougie. Like, should I turn it into a necklace? Like when I'm not carrying it, look, now I have a Prada necklace. But it comes with this other strap, which has me literally so gagged, so happy, so excited, because when I want to go out, like if I want to change the style of the bag and make it kind of more like of a girls' night out bag, they give you the option to do this. And this is so cute. Like, do we get the vibe yet? Like the Playboy little shirt, we've got this, like we're going to the club for the night. And it lets me still have like that little mini Prada moment, which I like a lot. Guys, like look at the details of this bag. Like look, little Prada 2005 re-edition. And then even if you wanted to, you can leave this one on and have the big strap on, so you can have them both on really at the same time. Guys, I think I just put the strap on backwards again. But yeah, basically you can have them. Oh my gosh, this is so backwards. Okay, I'll put it on this way and then it won't be backwards. But see, so you can keep this too, so you have them both on there like that. Like, guys, I'm so gagged. I'm so gagged. Like, I'm not even gagged at the fact, like it is so crazy to me that like I worked hard enough to earn this bag. Like, that's what's so odd about it. Because, yeah, it's, like, a nice bag, and, yeah, I get to carry it around. But, like, I just never thought in my whole life, like, I'd have the money to do this. Like, I never thought, like, I'd be able to work hard enough to, like, I don't know what it is. Like, you just never think, like, you can have... I don't know. I grew up as a depressed child, so I just never thought any of this stuff was possible for me. Like, and it just goes to show, like, hey, you have this. Hey, I never thought I was gonna get that. I have that one. I never thought I was gonna get that one. I have that one. And just... it really just goes to show, like, believe in yourself. Like, I really am in this, like, world of positivity. And, you know, that's why I hop on here, because I wanted to share it with you guys. Like, I could care less. Like, I mean, okay, how do you word this? Like, yeah, I have a Prada bag. It's not fucking everything. Like, more, it means more to me, like, the specialness of being able to purchase it, really, than the bag. Well, I guess the bag itself is very special, too, right? But, like... there's so much more that goes into it that I think people don't realize until you start to make these purchases for yourself. Like, even if your thing wasn't this bag and, like, you were into, like, a $2,000 gun or, like, a plane, I don't know what people collect, right? But just anytime you're able to make these purchases for yourself, like, it just really backs, like, everything that you've ever wanted or dreamed of, or, you know, you worked for. Like, anything you buy, like, you work for. Like, you buy chapstick, you worked for that chapstick, you know? So... it just goes to show, like, how far I've come in life, I guess. I'm still, like, don't get me wrong, like, we're not at the end. Like, I still have a lot of work to do and a lot of progress. Yeah, like, I just mean, like, that's mainly the reason I show the bag on camera, or I show the things I buy on camera. Like, it's not to show, like, hey, look what I bought, you don't have that, but more of, like, hey, like, I'm really proud of it, and I just want, you know, to share that with you guys, because I think it's really special, and I hope it's inspiring to someone else, like, who... you know, want something in life. Like, I didn't think I could get these things, and I'm getting them. I didn't think I'd be, you know, this far in school, and I am, you know, and I'm getting ready to apply for the University of Utah, and, like, that's just, like, such a dream in itself, because I'm gonna have my associate's degree, and, like, yeah, I mean, I guess it just, like, life's still hard for me, but, like, I'm surviving. Like, every day is, like, better and better, and I'm, like, it's a good thing, like, I didn't give up. That's, like, honestly, that's, like, the biggest thing, is, like, I'm so happy I didn't give up, because, like, I wouldn't have made it to this spot right now, and, like, I just never thought, like, I'd feel this good, you know? So when you have those good days, like, I just never, yeah, so hopefully that makes sense. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was so excited to share this with you guys. I love to share every moment with you guys, and I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in the next video. So... it's not just a bag. It's Prada. Love you guys.